Last time on Races to Places, qualifying got underway at the Roof of Africa.
Just finished the first test for the qualifier, so there's 2 tests today. We're just in the pickup on the way, on the way to the second test time trial. So the first one was like an enduro cross track, 2 laps, pretty decent laps, probably like 5 kilometers or something, but nice, lots of rock gardens and tires and stuff. Got that done. Motocross start with I think about 30 guys. I was second into the first corner, and we managed to win the race, so that was fun and really fun riding. So bike's really spot on, and my chauffeur here is just taking me to the next spot. So here we are, just about to start this loop. Go! Thank you! Here we go. Absolutely pissing it down. Wow. At least it's cooled down a lot. Proper pissing it down. Beautiful scenery. You've got to be so careful not to drop off the side, because some places it's impossible to get back on. Thankfully the rain stopped. So, at the moment it's dry and cool.
It's just the way I see you. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's just the way I see you. I just found this music that just gives me this. All around me, all around me, all around me, all around me, all around me. Found this music that just gives me this.
The rain's coming again. My goal is just to keep moving. Whoa, so many rocks. You gotta love rocks for the Roof of Africa bike, guys. But so careful. I've just finished day one, Roof of Africa 2018. Why? It's gonna be hard, eh? You better like rocks here, because there's lots of rocks. It's quite tricky, yeah? There's lots and lots of tracks, like goat trails, and trying to pick your way through, but really had a fun time. I'm happy to have the first day in the bag. I'm gonna go get washed up now, have some good chow and a good night's sleep before tomorrow, but happy with our road, nice and steady, and just kept moving. So it won't have set any records, but we're in the game tomorrow. So I had an okay day today, but lots of people didn't. Lots of people struggled. Some people had physical struggles and some people had mechanical struggles. But check these guys out. They need to put a new, basically swap the engine out, but they're not allowed to swap the engine. They have to keep the original cases, so they have to swap all the parts from one engine to another. So they're splitting the case now. Morning. So up at 4:30 this morning, already at it. Not feeling too bad after yesterday, so just gonna take it easy today. Nice healthy breakfast to get us going. Some omelette, coffee to get the poop flowing. Taxi's here. Taxi for one to race start, please.
Hey, five grand.
So it's going to be a really long day today. Something that's really important today is not to get a chafed ass. So I'm going to put some of this anti-chafe cream on my butt. Do I need more?
3 times that amount.
3 times? I need to get some more. I'm gonna put this on my ass. I'm gonna put some cream on my ass now. Right, it's going in. Sorry guys. Oh, feels kind of dodgy. I think there's too much for you.
It's all about preparation. What a good idea, adding protection to minimise hand blisters. Mind, once you've had them, you remember.
Start.
Here we catch up with Lyndon on the start line, ready to get things underway. So, here it is, the start of the main event, where the riders will take on the mother of Hard Enduro. On the cards is 140 kilometres of the toughest terrain. This will see what the riders are really made of.
T-Rex decided to have a little lie down, so figured it was a good time to stop and have a pee. So we're just coming into what I believe is the fuel stop. Woo! Dude, it's freaking hardcore, huh?
Well, the terrain certainly is challenging and the scenery is just stunning.
We just keep pushing on. Just push on. Just keep it going. Nice and easy. Be careful on these big loose rocks, because if you get rolling on them, the bike runs away with you. Just brake in between. Oh, stalled it. Just keep plodding. Oh, see, like that. So easy to get a little bit out of control. Keep the engine res nice and low and just keep chugging along. Totally standard bike, 250 EXC, 2-stroke, box standard suspension and everything. Oh, it's got somebody up here. Awesome, awesome. So physically demanding though. Very, very physical. It's not a joke, that's for sure. Definitely not for novices.
These hill climbs look tough. It's not just the steepness, but the fact the trail is littered with boulders, and not small ones too.
Send it. Come on, Lyndon. Just trials it. Yeah, baby. And again. And around. Woo! I don't have, bro. I don't have. Sorry, man, I don't have anything. Good fun day, long day, lots of mixed terrain, loads of different stuff. I could talk for about an hour about it, but I won't. I definitely need a shower and to get some food. But yeah, good day. No rain, the rain held off. It's lightning now and over there. It's gonna come. I feel for those guys that are still out there, but we made it. We're here.
Aye, aye, aye.
So go slow or
Go
fast?
fast! Ow! Fast, man! Pull that sucker.
Just in time, 20 minutes after getting back, and it's raining. A lot. I've raced a lot of stages on the Dakar Rally and been out for 9 hours, but usually we cover like, 1,000 kilometers or something. I was on the bike for 9 hours today and I did 140 kilometers, so that gives you an idea how hard it was. Super technical day, lots of climbs, descents, but I'm just so happy to be at the end. It was a massive relief to get over the finish line, because I've had cramps, I've had pins and needles, pains in my hands again, but we threw it and we're off back. So a bit of work on the bike, get some dinner, another early night, and win the game tomorrow.
Next time on Races to Places, it's day 2 of the Roof of Africa.
Hi everyone, I just want to say a massive thank you to you all for watching my media and for all the great comments that I receive every single day. Please keep them coming. I'm just going to share with you my Patreon page. Patreon is a membership-based platform that gives creators like me the opportunity to continue to create the media that you love to watch. For just a few dollars a month, I can give you priority viewing, I can give you special features, informative posts about the things that you want to know. It creates a platform for interaction between you, the viewer, and me, the creator. Now, a few dollars a month might not seem like a lot to you, but for me, collectively, it makes a huge difference. So please check out the link at the bottom of the page, and I appreciate any contribution you can make to make my job sustainable. In return for that, I promise to keep creating great media that you love, dreaming up new projects, filming it and sharing it with you all. Thanks.